Morning. How are you doing? We are, week 4 or something of being in lockdown, and I hope everybody's well. I just wanted to say a quick hello and to remind you that this Thursday we're continuing with week 4 of the lockdown learning series, and this week we're focusing on business agility. What the heck does that mean? I'm going to be joined by Pete Measy, and Pete has been in the sort of game of helping organizations become more innovative and adaptable and agile for over 20 years. So we're dealing with somebody who has been there, done that, bought a t-shirt and has the broken nose to prove it, so lots of practical skills and lots of practical knowledge about how we help organizations to be able to adapt to these kind of very challenging environments that we're in now. I think COVID-19 is a once in a generation situation, but the reality is that digital disruption is not going away. Organizations are going to continue to have to be more able to deal with what is known as a VUCA world: volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. So if you have a CEO or a chief technology officer or a chief operating officer who's kind of interested in this, or a senior group of leaders who are starting to talk around this idea of making their organization or your organization more innovative and adaptable, please invite them along to this Thursday. So it's this Thursday at 12:30, and we're going to talk in more detailed terms about what we actually mean by an agile business. And it will link very much to what we've talked about so far. We've talked about what makes an individual tick. Now that we know that, what makes a team tick, and now that we understand that, all based on good science, what kind of context we need to create to get the best out of individuals and teams. And then we need to step out beyond the context of organization to look at, well, what's changing in the environment that means that even the organizational context needs to transform too. So please come along this Thursday. Invite your senior leadership to come along as well, because it will help at least start a more informed conversation about how all organizations are going to have to change once COVID-19 has blown by. So that's it. I hope you're well. Stay safe. I hope your families are well, and look forward to seeing you this Thursday. Take care.